Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dash cams that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the ROVE R24K PRO Dash Cam. The ROVE R24K PRO Dash Cam seamlessly captures high-quality footage, recording at an impressive resolution of 2160p at 30 fps and 1440p at 60 fps. Its built-in 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and supercapacitor not only enhance this dash cam's performance, but also streamlines user interaction. What we think is the most useful feature of this dash cam is its built-in 24-hour parking mode. While in this mode, the camera's auto-trigger to turn on when there is motion around your car, even when the car is turned off and locked. It also comes with an ultimate hardwire kit that equips you with everything needed for a smooth dashcam installation. Moving on, at number 4, we have the REDTIGER 4K dashcam with Wi-Fi and GPS. The REDTIGER dashcam delivers high-quality video and audio that's a cut above the rest. Its 4K Full HD recording capability ensures clear, sharp image quality, capturing every detail on the road. The front 170 degrees angle provides a broad view, leaving no blind spots, while the 140 degrees back camera angle, with a 1080p resolution, works to increase the range of the camera. With its built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, it's the most reliable dash cam you could ask for, providing real-time location and speed information. What sets this dash cam apart is its easy installation and operation. It comes with a free 32GB card ready to use right out of the box, and its 3.16 inches IPS screen is intuitive and user-friendly, making navigation a breeze. It also features night vision and wide dynamic range, WDR, ensuring clear footage even in low light conditions, as well as a 24-hour parking mode for added peace of mind. At number 3, we have the ARIFAYZ Wi-Fi FHD 1080p dashcam. If you're trying to take your car security to the next level, the ARIFAYZ Wi-Fi FHD 1080p dashcam is the ultimate vigilant companion on the road. Boasting a super easy setup and installation process, it effortlessly secures to your vehicle, ready to record critical details in full 1080p clarity. This dashcam even goes the extra mile with its night vision feature, ensuring excellent video quality no matter the time of day. The built-in G sensor activates the camera when it detects sudden movements, guaranteeing you won't miss any important moments, while the loop recording feature overwrites old footage when the memory is full to ensure you always have the footage you need in an emergency. We think this dashcam would be perfect if you're worried about potentially losing footage evidence of accidents or missing incidents that occur when your car is in park, because this cam also has a 24-hour parking mode. At number 2, we have the SUVCON 3-channel 1080p dashcam. The SUVCON dashcam is the perfect dashcam for low-light conditions, offering exceptional reliability. Its state-of-the-art 3-channel 1080p resolution captures every detail, offering an unparalleled clarity that lets you see more than what meets the naked eye. We were impressed with how well this dashcam seems to capture accidents and minor collisions. Its built-in G sensor detects sudden jarring movements and instantly begins recording, ensuring you never miss crucial moments on film. The 24-hour parking monitor also helps provide complete protection, even when your vehicle is parked and locked. Moreover, the loop recording feature ensures continuous recording by overwriting old footage once the memory is full, saving you the hassle of manual deletion. It also conveniently comes with a 32GB SD card, so you can install it right away. And finally, at number 1, we have the Garmin 0100250400 Dashcam. The Garmin Mini Dashcam 2, disguised in a car key-sized form, captures high-quality 1080p video footage and provides reliable recordings of your journeys. The 140-degree field of view (FOV) ensures substantial coverage, discreetly monitoring your vehicle even when you're away. We think the voice control feature is a really unique and useful addition to this dashcam. It works in multiple languages, including English, German, Swedish, Spanish, Italian, and French, and offers a seamless, hands-free operation while you drive. It's easy to install, and the user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to operate, even for those not tech-savvy. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.